Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Target English Grade 9 Unit 1. Today the title of this unit is Explorers. First of all, what is meant by the word explorers? An explorer is a person who explores a new place. In other words, he is a traveler that goes and explores new places. Now we are going to name some activities that I personally would like to attempt. What about you? First activity for today is parachuting. The second activity is climbing a mountain range. Yes, you go and climb a mountain range with all of the safety precautions until you get to the top of this or the mountain that you are climbing. Going on an Arctic expedition. That is very interesting. Then we have skiing, ice skiing. Last but not least, we have the deep sea diving. What about you, dear viewers? What activities you would like to attempt? Moving on to our main topic, which is, as I said previously, explorers, which is presented in the student's book, page 14. Today we are going to learn the new vocabulary related to this topic, which is called excellent explorers. First of all, there are some criteria and rules that you must follow that will help you to understand the meaning of unknown or difficult words. Let's go through them together. First of all, we should examine the immediate context of the word, which means the sentence in which it appears, and the words which come before and after. In other words, when you look at the vocabulary or the word that you don't know, look at the words before and after, which means you have to look at the sentence, the whole sentence in which the word is present. Going on more, if you still have difficulty finding the meaning of the word, you examine the wider context of the word itself, which means you don't just read the whole sentence, you read the sentences before and the sentences after, which means you read the whole paragraph in order for you to know or understand the meaning of the difficult word. Look at the structure of the word itself. Look at the prefixes, the infixes, and the suffixes, or the root of the word. If you have the root of the word, for example, help, this is the root. I can add a prefix and a suffix. For example, unhelpful. It has a prefix and it has a suffix. It gives a new meaning to the word. So you can locate the word by locating its root to understand the meaning of the word given. Let's read and guess the meaning of the new words in this text. In 2018, Lamis Najm became the first Kuwaiti to reach the North Pole. She was part of a Euro-Arabian expedition organized and led by Felicity Aston, who was the first person to ski across Antarctica on her own. We read the whole paragraph. The new word is expedition. What is the meaning of expedition? Let's say I don't know the meaning of the word. So, first of all, we have to look at the sentence itself. She was part of a Euro-Arabian expedition organized and led by Felicity Aston. The meaning of expedition, first of all, expedition is a noun. An expedition is an organized journey taken by a group of people with a particular purpose. In other words, for example, myself and my friends, we want to take a journey to explore, let's say, Mount Everest. So we all agree on going on this trip or this journey to explore some place or something. So it is a journey taken by a group of people in order to reach a final point they are all agreed to do. She was part of a Euro-Arabian expedition organized and led by Felicity Aston. The underlined word expedition, what does it mean? Is it a competition, a journey, department, motion? Dear viewers, the answer is excellent. You got this one right. The answer is journey, as I said in the previous slide. Moving on to the next paragraph. 3 of the participants who accompanied Lamis from the Arabian Gulf region were Sheikha Asma al-Thani from Qatar, Anis al-Raisi from Oman, and the Saudi Arabian Maryam Hamid al-Din. We have a new word here. The word is accompanied. First of all, look at the context. 3 participants who accompanied Lamis. So the total are 4. This is how you interpret the whole sentence. So, accompany is a verb, and it is to go somewhere with someone as a companion. For example, me and my friends, we all go together. We accompanied each other. We went together to a specific place, let's say a football match. 3 participants who accompanied Lamis from the Arabian Gulf region. What is meant by the underlined word accompanied in the above sentence? Is it to go without, only me? To leave, I leave them alone and I go alone? To go with, or to be alone? Well, as I said, accompanied means to go with. Excellent, dear viewers. To go with is the synonym for accompany. On an expedition, the adventurers slept in tents in the Arctic wilderness for 10 days. We have a new word here also, the word wilderness. Wilderness is a noun. The wilderness is an area of land that has not been used to grow crops. In other words, a land that no humans have been there before. They skied about 100 kilometers. They skied 100 kilometers across cracked ice above water. We have a new word here. The word is cracked. What is the meaning of cracked? Well, cracked is an adjective. It means damaged with lines on its surface, but not completely broken. This is the meaning of cracked. The noun of it is also crack. Also, the verb of it is crack. Sir, how can we differentiate if the word is a noun or the word is a verb? You have to look at the sentence itself to figure out if this word is used as a noun or as a verb. The noun crack is, as you can see in the slide, cracks began to appear on the walls of the old house. The cracks on the wall. So this is a noun. It is not a doing word. It is not an action. Whereas the action, I cracked the cup into 2 pieces. I cracked, the verb, a doing word. I literally cracked the cup into 2 pieces. The underlined word cracked means broke, joined, fix, linked. I cracked into 2 pieces, which means I broke. Excellent, dear viewers, the answer is broke. In temperatures below minus 40 degrees centigrade and under the constant threat of attacks by polar bears known to prey on human beings. Constant attack. Constant is an adjective, which means happening all the time. over and over, again and again, constantly. Constant means happening all the time, all the time. My family is a constant source of happiness to me, of course. And another word is the word prey on. Polar bears known to prey on human beings. So we have the polar bears, they prey on human beings. What is the meaning of prey on? It is to hunt and kill for food. An example here, lions and tigers prey on other animals. For example, if the tiger and the lion, they want to eat, they go and hunt and kill other animals to eat them. For example, deers, zebras, and other animals. In an interview with the Kuwait Times, Lamis explained the main reasons for her adventure as a desire to escape the familiar and to embark on a cultural quest. We have two words here. The first word is embark on, which is a phrasal verb. Embark on is to start to do something new or difficult. For example, I am about to embark on a new project with my friends. I want to start doing this new project with my friends. The other word is quest. Quest is a noun, quest, which means a long search for something. Mountaineers, people who climb mountains, have an endless quest for adventures. The verb of it is also quest. Do you remember crack? This is the same thing. The verb form of quest means to search for something, look for something. For example, the man is questing for something on the ground. He is searching for something on the ground. The experience created a deep connection and bond between the team members. Kuwait's first North Pole skier, Lamis, is an inspiration for all those who seek an adventurous life. The last word for today is the word bond. A bond is a noun, which means a connection. We are bonding, a connection between people or groups. There is a special bond between mothers and their babies. There is a strong connection. There is a bond. Also, the verb of it is bond, to join things together. We use strong ropes to bond things together, to tie them together, to make them stronger together. Lamis is an inspiration for all those who seek an adventurous life. The word seek is a verb, which means to look for something or somebody. I intend to seek new courses to improve my English. I am looking for new courses to improve my English language. In this unit, we covered the following words: expedition, wilderness, quest, bond, and they are all nouns. Accompany, seek, they are verbs. The phrasal verbs here are prey on and embark on. The adjectives, cracked and constant. Moving on now to the vocabulary quiz. We are going to test your understanding of the words. Number 1, my father agreed to me on a trip to South Africa. Agreed to what? To prey on? My father prey on me? Or accompany, embark on, seek? The answer is my father agreed to accompany, to come with me on a trip to South Africa. Number 2, the British to Mount Everest left last week. A group of people. Expedition, wilderness, quest, bond. The British what? A group of British people. So the answer is a group. Excellent. Expedition. Moving on to the next questions. Mountaineers usually an adventurous life. They usually accompany, embark on, prey on, or seek. I am looking for. I am finding. I am looking for. So the answer is excellent, dear viewers. Seek. They seek an adventurous life. Next question. I went to the dentist because I suffered from a tooth If you go to a dentist, you have something wrong with your teeth. What is wrong with your tooth? Is it deep, constant, cracked, adventurous? And the answer, of course, you go to the dentist if you have a cracked tooth. Now we are going to fill in the spaces with the suitable words from the list. Prey on, wilderness, cracked, expedition. Number 1. My father made an to Spain to study wild plants. He made an expedition to Spain. He went to Spain, an expedition to study wild plants. The second question. The garden has become and because of the hot weather has become what? A wilderness. And wilderness because of the hot weather. The last question, it is too dangerous to go skiing on ice. Of course, it is too dangerous if you go skiing or only walk on, The answer is excellent, cracked ice. Of course, it is dangerous. In this episode, we learned the new vocabulary related to Unit 1, and we tackled many vocabulary exercises. Thank you all for viewing, and see you in the next episode, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.